Okay, welcome viewers. This is question and answer program on chapter 1 of business ethics and corporate social responsibility. The direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. Ethics is best described as dash. A legal framework imposed by government. B. The science of conduct dealt with moral standard. C. A set of customs unique to society. D. A religious doctrine governing behavior. The answer for this question is B. The science of conduct deals with moral standard. Question number 2. The origin of the word ethics is linked mainly to dash. A. Roman legal philosophy. B. Modern management theory. C. Latin and Greek terms referring to character and customs. D. Religious scriptures. The answer for this question is C. Latin and Greek terms referring to character and customs. Question number 3. Peter F. Drucker's view on ethics emphasized that dash. A. Ethics vary based on organizational culture. B. Separate ethical conduct are needed for managers. C. Ethics should prioritize profit maximization. D. One universal moral code applies equal to everyone. The answer for this question is D. One universal moral code apply equally to everyone. Question number 4. Which statement best captures Swastikananda perspective on ethics? A. Ethics is enforced through social punishment. B. Ethics arise from laws and regulations. C. Ethics originates from self-strength and inner freedom. D. Ethics is determined by social custom. The answer for this question is C. Ethics originates from self-strength and inner freedom. Question number 5. Which of the following is not an objective of ethics? A. Establish moral standard. B. Evaluate human behavior. C. Maximize organizational profit. D. Prescribes moral conduct. The answer for this question is C. Maximizing organizational profit. Question number 6. Ethics goes beyond immediate facts of a moral issue by focusing primarily on dash. A. What society accepts. B. What is legally required. C. What managers prefer. D. What ought to be done. The answer for this question is D. What ought to be done. Question number 7. The main distinction between ethics and law is dash. A. Ethics is enforced by courts, law by the society. B. Ethics focuses on do's while law focuses on don'ts. C. Law is wider than ethics. D. Ethics uses force to ensure compliance. The answer for this question is B. Ethics focuses on do's while law focuses on don'ts. Question number 8. Which example given fell within ethics but not law? A. Paying corporate tax. B. Obeying traffic rules. C. Teaching students sincerely. D. Registering a business. The answer for this question is C. Teaching the students sincerely. Question number 9. Business ethics is best defined as dash. A. Government regulation of business. B. Moral philosophy unrelated to profit. C. Application of ethical principle to business behavior. D. Social responsibility activity only. The answer for this question is C. Application of ethical principles to the business behavior. Question number 10. The concept of code of conduct in business ethics refers to dash. A. Legal rule issued by courts. B. Voluntary personal beliefs. C. Financial reporting standards. D. Binding principles guiding business behavior. The answer is D. Binding principles guiding business behavior. Question number 11. According to the course Business Ethics and Corporate Social Responsibility, business must balance profit maximization with dash. A. Employees demand only. B. Stakeholders interest. C. Government regulation alone. D. Shareholder expectation exclusively. The answer is D. Stakeholders interest. Question number 12. The 3 C's of business ethics include all except dash. A. Compliance. B. Contribution. C. Competition. D. Consequence. The answer is C. Competition. Question number 13. Which of the following best illustrate compliance under the 3 C's? A. Improving product quality. B. Providing employees opportunities. C. Obeying laws and company policies. D. Enhance public image. The answer for this question is C. Obeying laws and company policies. Question number 14. The primary reason business ethics is needed is dash. A. Business exists within society. B. Ethics increase short-term profits. C. Ethics replaces management skills. D. Ethics reduces competition. The answer for this question is A. Business exists within society. Question number 15. Peter Spartley's twofold objectives of business ethics is emphasize dash. A. Profitability and efficiency. B. Analysis of practice and moral prescription. C. Legal compliance and enforcement. D. Corporate growth and expansion. The answer for this question is D. Analysis of practice and moral prescription. Question number 16. Ethical analysis mainly helps managers to dash. A. Avoid stakeholders involvement. They replace laws with values. C. Predict market trends. D. Evaluate situations using moral standards. The answer is D. Evaluate situations using moral standards. Question number 17. Research cited supports the idea that dash ethics limits business growth. Ethical business fail faster. C. Long-term success is linked to ethical conduct. D. Ethics has no impact on performance. The answer is C. Long-term success is linked to ethical conduct. Question number 18. Good ethics is sound business insurance. Implies that ethics is dash. A. Guarantees profit. B. Protect relationship and trust. C. Eliminates business risk. D. Replaces legal contracts. The answer for this question is B. Ethics protects relationship and trust. Question number 19. Which outcome is most associated with unethical business behavior? Which outcome is most associated with unethical business behavior? A strong public image. B. Employee motivation. C. Increased trust. D. Damage to goodwill and reputation. The answer for this question is D. Damage to goodwill and reputation. Question number 20. Corporate social responsibility mainly refers to dash. A. Philanthropy alone. B. Legal obligation of firms. C. Responsibility for societal and environmental impacts. D. Stakeholders' wealth maximization. The answer for this question is C. Responsibility for societal and environmental impacts. Question number 21. Case Davis defines social responsibility as decision taken dash. A. Solely for economic business. B. Only under legal pressure. C. For reason beyond direct economic interest. D. Exclusively for employees' welfare. The answer for this question is C. For reasons beyond direct economic interest. Question number 22. According to L.N. Parast, management is responsible primarily to dash. A. Shareholders only. B. Government agencies. C. Customers and suppliers. D. All stakeholders including society. The answer for this question is D. All stakeholders including society. Question number 23. Corporate citizenship aims to dash. A. Reduce government control. B. Increase market dominance. C. Improve quality of life while maintaining profitability. D. Replace corporate social responsibility program. The answer for this question is C. C. Improve quality of life while maintaining profitability. Question number 24. Social performance measure dash. A. Employee satisfaction level. B. Financial performance indicators. C. Marketing effectiveness. D. How well social goals are achieved in practice. The answer is D. How well social goals are achieved in practice. Question number 25. An organization demonstrating strong social performance must manage it dash. A less seriously than profit. B only during price. C informally through culture. D as carefully as financial performance. The answer for this question is D as carefully as financial performance. This is all about today's presentation. Thank you viewers for attending this program.